Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you today? Right now I am create for Anandabajar clone website. This is original website Anandabajar online potrika, I think is Kolkata newspaper site. So this one for feature page post, and this one for category post, and this one for banner, and this one for section for more news. So this one for banner, and this one for election news, and also this one for categories. So overall the all section for categories I am already create similar website. So you can you need similar websites, so go to HOTLancer and link description below for $150 only. So I am already my demo website. This is my demo website. Ananda Bajar is Bangla time. I for you need for English time, so I'll for implement English time. This one for category, and this one for subcategory, and this one for trending news, and this one for breaking news and news section at this section, and also for this one for feature news, and this one for ad. So this one for feature news, and this one for ad. So I am already create similar this one for section, and this one for ad. See this one for section and this one for ad, but not the ad show. I am already ad blogger using, that's why for not ad showing. So this one for title section, and this one for category section. So this one for banner section. Or I am already create for full website design. So if you want to need similar websites, so you can order this site Anandabajar for right now offer is camping for $150 only. You need to for Android apps for $250, and you need to for script Android apps and iOS apps for $750 only. So if you want to buy this file, I am for install support for free for 1 year helping support. So go to for this one for dashboard admin panel. So see this one for I am already lots of post, and for pending post, for total reporter and total user. This one for news section and new post section. See this one for post section, you can select for category and post format, and also for reporter select, and feature image add, and YouTube ID video ID, and you can add breaking news, so automatically breaking news show, and also keyword meta title and meta description, and also you can image uploading, all everything you can add. So this one for page builder, you can easily homepage you can drag and drop system. I am go to this one for first section, and this one for second section. I am scroll down this one for second section. I am go to my website and reload. See this one for first section automatically create, and this one for second section. So see this one breaking news is second section, this one for first section. I am go to breaking news first section, and one section is two section. So go to reload. See breaking news is first section, second section this one, and first this one for first section. So you can easily handle this website, and go to category section. You can easily add for all categories and everything slider. You can header style change for you can design lots of design and for implement. You can easily design change and padding margin and how much post show, everything you can add for title image, for column section, grid section, and desktop show, mobile show, tablet show, iPhone show, Android phone show, lazy loader. So lots of feature already add. So you want to purchase this file, and for all feature you can using. So this one advertisement section, and this one for page section, create list, and every page you can easily create. See this section, and poll system already implement. This one for poll system, and you can also add for reporter. Easily you can add all reporter, and also user manage, you can registration user you can manage for all service. So if you want this file, so purchase you can purchase, and see more preview link, and also click for image, automatically demo link share it. So hopefully you like my video. You can like this video, for please subscribe, and also like this video and share with your friends.